Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to easily discover your ancestry roots using the Ancestry app. So let's dive in. First of all, download and sign up. First, download the Ancestry application from the App Store or Play Store. You can go and search here Ancestry and the application will be pop up and simply install it and open it. After opening it, make sure to sign in using Google or Facebook account. Then start a family tree. Next, go to the tree tab. At the below you will see the menu tab. There, go to the tree tab. Then and start building your family tree. Add your name, parents and grandparents. The more details you add, the better Ancestry can connect records to your family. Then step 3 is to explore the records. Ancestry has millions of records like birth, marriage, census and immigration records. Tap the hints that show up your relative to discover. Each hint helps you go further back in your family history. And step 4 is to take a DNA test. At the below you will see DNA. Click on that. If you want to deeper insight, you can order an Ancestry DNA kit right in the app. This test shows you ethnic origins and can connect your DNA matches distant cousins who share their roots. You can register a kit from here. And that's it. By combining your family tree, historical records and DNA, you can trace your ancestry roots step by step. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.